Okay, so in this question, we're told that David earns €2,500 a month and has tax credits worth €140. So we assume that's per month as well, because otherwise I would have to divide that by 12, but we're going to assume that that's monthly. And we're told that we're trying to figure out if he's taxed at 20%, what his take-home pay is. So basically, there's going to be a question where we have to work out from the 2,500 how much David takes home every month. So I'm first of all going to start by just figuring out how much he's taxed before we add back the tax credit. So we have 2,500 and we're going to multiply that by 20% to figure out how much he's actually taxed on that. And we know that 25% or 0.2, I should say, times 2,500, so 20% is going to be 500, so just a fifth. So that's going to be the kind of tax he pays. And so we can actually set up a subtraction now, where we're going to start off with the 2,500. So that's basically his, what you call his gross pay. So the pay before anything is deducted. And we're going to subtract the tax that we just found there at 500. And we're going to add back on the tax credit, which we know is €140 from the question. So this is always basically the formula. You would remove the tax and then add back on the tax credits for questions like this. And so we just have 2,140 as our final answer. So that's going to be his take-home pay, and that's going to be it for this video.